Going to Brighton. Brighton ta. Let's go. Padagat ta, padagat. Ba. Yes. Kami agtag. Ah, pangapit to yung agtag. So we have to do it kay kapit ang mama ng summer. So at least makadumig dagat for this year. So let's go.
JJ. No, di pa magunit.
JZ. Yeah.
Approaching Brighton, our final destination. Thank you for travelling. Please remember to take all your belongings with you when you leave the train. Our final destination.
So right now we're going in Sealife Brighton. So let's see what's inside. Alright. What are those? It's a big shark. Where's the shark? Where? No, it's a very big one. It's not a shark. What's in there? Is there a crab? Be careful, there might be a crab. Wow. Look at the starfish. Whoa, can you see it? Let's go this way, Ellie. We can go close. I mean, it's not scary. I promise, it's not scary. Why are you scared? Come here, Ellie. Up daddy. Scary one. You are very big fishes. JJ, come here. Oh, yes. Where's the fish? Find the fish. Find the fish.
That's a eel.
Very wow. It's two of them. Here. There's two of them. Yeah. Where is it?
They're up there.
Is that the one?
Yeah, that's the one. This is fish. Hello, fish.
That's the same fish in our aquarium. That's the same fish. Ants.
Where?
They're hiding.
Heidi? Auntie.
Inside. Hello. You're swimming?
Yeah,
Are you swimming like that?
no.
You're not swimming. Look, you're swimming.
It's in his hand.
Yeah. Here is it's piranha. Hang on. Pet. Pet. What's on the pet? Ooh. It's a glass catfish. Look. It's tetra. Grabe, di picture na lang kasay. Oh, yan, masaya. Oh, that one, it's a shark. Oh, and a big turtle.
Another big turtle.
Come on. Let's go close. Don't be scared, Daddy's here. Shark, two sharks.
Two sharks. Hello, shark.
Where's the shark?
Hi. A tape in a shark. Yeah.
You silly Yeyes. Oh, there's so many sharks. Oh no, Yeyes is here. Right there, Yeyes. Oh no, he's swimming fast. No, don't be scared. Come here. I'm just kidding. Let's wait for the turtle to come. Hey, the turtle is here. The turtle is here.
It's a shark too. A big shark.
The big turtle.
A big shark.
Say bye-bye to turtle.
Bye-bye, turtle. Shark.
The other one. Those are really big turtles.
I see something. I see something.
Get out. Get out. What does it do? coming to us. No, Miss Karen, it's not coming to you. It's coming to me. I'll take you.
That's bigger than you.
What's in here? Wow! Come here. Hold on.
Ethan, where's the dragon? Ethan.
That's a seahorse. Look.
No, dragon!
Not a dragon. It's a seahorse.
No, dragon!
Dragon. Look at the nose of the turtle.
Where's the pig nose?
Yes, yes. One more here. Long neck turtle. A long neck turtle. Look at that neck. Why is it very long? What did you see? Wow! Did you like it? Wow! Where's the fish? Fish! Mommy buy ice cream. Oh. Wow! Dito SEALIFE nindot kay SEALIFE. First time mo makasulod og SEALIFE diri. Ini video po diri. Nice kaya nice. Sealife Brighton. So must visit nindot kaya. Yes. Yes. What do you have? Show me. Whoa.
Open it.
Nanami seaside, so just gonna fix this tent here. Okay, mga sa mi mag-tent kami this seaside.
Kailangan pag nag-isunod eh.
Ito mas butan.
Hi.
Ito mo na
Take off the blocking.
I know, no rock inside. No rock inside, only outside.
So nabuo na ang tent, So mga ana, gabalon ni para tipid. Gasto kayo, mahal kayo lang fish kuan diri. Fish and chips. Dito naman sa adobo.
Mga ano type go.
Yes.
You could mo makita. It just looks orange.
Kami na.
Kani may lami oh. Ito na siya. Longganesa. Longganesa. Rice!
Way kaon kung walay rice.
Asa, minsan eh. Baso ba? Baso.
Tent here in Brighton.
Yay ka na si Jason. Ano siya eh.
Jason!
Electric pan.
Isuhan mo guna. Jay-Z! Wow! What are you doing, Jay-Z? Look. Gabi mo kanang ginita na jacket.
Lala!
Later sa kahit anong tower niya. Tipit. Yes. Let's go, Babat. Let's go. Alright. Come on.
Serious?
Sabi, bugnaw sa tubig. Nakiligo. Iyo, may liris. Ngayon kayo. Bisi ko ano, tag-iya sa Brighton. Kasakay namin mana?
Carousel ba? Pwede siya ba?
Wala pa. Hanya pa. Okay, pasakay si Liris. Let's go. Bye-bye. Yes. Wow. Toy Story? Hi.
You need to hold properly, okay?
Whoa! Bye. Get. Oh, hold on. Look. That's all on the wheel. Was that fun? Good. Hi. Yes, you're the driver. You're the driver. Oh, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Get one more for Jay-Z. What is that for? Is that bubbles?
For JP.
How do you play that one? It's like a hammer?
No.
Wait. What about the other one?
Elena, if you want that one, and then...
Did you like this?
You think so? Oh, go pick. Time check. It's 4:53. Yan yung pagkita ko. Uwi ka na adlaw. Okay na, relax.
Di, record.
Naisa.
Pit. Ambit na yung gitabon.
Ang isa kay hadlock kay maitom oh.
Ambit na yung tabon dali.
You don't know how to play it.
Give me your food.
Jay-Z, do you like that?
This is for JP. This is mine.
Like the green one. How does it make that sound? What? Uh-oh. Ba.
I have an idea.
Where are you going?
Oh. What? Wow.
Wow! Juicy eating. It's getting dark now. 7 o'clock in the evening. So okay na. Tatambay for the whole afternoon here. Brighton. Dito nga panahon, no? Kaya kayo silang people, nakay sila ng tower. Uy.
Gaya pa kong bag, gaya pa
Kaya masulti ng tower, pet.
Ang binang
What is that? Where are you gonna put that one? On your arm? Got Peppa Pig. Don't be
they're
scared.
going to get the...
Not yet, it's not yet done. She got scared with the... It's not yet done, it's not yet done. Yeah, hold on.
And you want it? And you cried? No!
Hold on.
How is it? Is it nice? Do you like it? I didn't expect.
Say thank you.
This color.
Yeah,
Thank you.
she doesn't like it.
Now you can give that to baby JC because he got a tattoo naman.
You give this to baby JC?
No. Show me, Dobby. Stop time. Waiting for dinner. Here in the pier. Lah, lumula yung baba. And that's it for today. Brighton, feeling the Brighton sea breeze. Done. So that's it. We're going home. Alright, next time po sa ating mga live. Thank you for watching. Bye.